Carrot oil offers numerous benefits for the skin due to its rich composition of vitamins, antioxidants, and essential fatty acid. It is known for its moisturizing, anti-aging, and protective properties, making it a valuable addition to skincare routine. Hello beautiful soul, you're welcome to my channel. God bless you. So to start, I took my carrot, washed it, took off the skin, and grated it to these tiny pieces. You can just go ahead and put into your jar, infuse for weeks or days, or just do double boiler method and see if you're good to go. But I chose to do both. Okay, I did the double boiler method and infused for a week plus. All right. Please, if you're going to use this for an infant, don't use olive oil, as it is not recommended for infants. Okay, apart from that, any person can use this oil as a sealant because it is moisturizing. You can just make use of coconut oil if you want to use it for an infant, or any baby oil that you have. Okay guys, in this recipe I used extra virgin olive oil and coconut oil, guys, because they are packed with vitamins that are so enriching for the skin. All right, both for pigmentation and skin damage. I'm going to be sharing the benefits of this oil and the carrot as well as we go along. So I got mine, as I said, dried, and then I put it into the jar. I did a little boiler method, you know, for just few minutes, just so as to extract every vitamin I can. I also let it infuse for a week plus. So like I said, you can choose only one option, just to, you know, do double boiler method and you sieve it, you're good to go, or you can just infuse for weeks, whichever works for you, or days. I have seen people that say they infuse for 24 hours, whichever works for you. I still had one I was using, so that's why I was able to leave this for a long time. Okay, while I do double boiler method, you will see the difference between it and of course when it is done. Okay guys, so let's dive into the benefits. Carrot is moisturizing. Okay, it helps to soften and soothe the skin. Okay, secondly, it is anti-aging. The high antioxidant content in carrot oil, you know, includes the beta carotene and vitamin E, helps protect the skin from free radical damage. Okay, which is what a contributor to premature aging. So if you don't want that premature aging, you need this oil. Skin brightening. Carrot oil can contribute to a brighter, more skin tone. If you want an even tone, like I said, I'm not on the fair side, but this is good for me. Like I said earlier, any person can use this. So for your skin, you know, to be even, you need this. Sun protection. It helps because of the carotene in it. It helps to boost the skin natural defense against UV radiation and protect against sun damage. Skin conditions. Carrot oil is anti-inflammatory. It can help that and being fast. Scalp and pigmentation reduction. If you have any scar, this can help you, all right, to fade away. It helps to fade away the scars on your skin. You know, skin rejuvenation. Also, you need this as it stimulates new cells. Carrot oil can help improve overall skin texture. You can see I added my vitamin E and of course vegetable glycerin. You can add that or any essential oil that you want to make use of. It's good to go. Olive oil, on the other hand, helps to soothe and calm irritated skins due to its anti-inflammatory properties. Okay, it has a lot of benefits. Same thing as, you know, coconut oil. Coconut oil moisturizes, okay, and improves hydration to dry skin. Like this video, subscribe, and please share out. God bless you. I'll see you in my next video.